April 24th, 2015, from the Verizon Center in Washington, D.C. It was Game 3 from the 2015 NBA Playoffs Round 1 matchup between the Toronto Raptors and the Washington Wizards. And in this game, Washington jumped out to a lead early, but the Raptors would take the lead, and then the Wizards tied it up at 16. Toronto went on a 12-2 run to make it 28-18. Bradley Beal then hit a big three, and after a deuce by the Raptors, Drew Gooden hit a three to make it a 6-point game at 30-24. Fast forward 2 minutes, and Drew Gooden hits another tray, this time to make it 35-31 as the Wizards cut the Raptors' lead to 4. Gortat then put in a bucket, and it was 35-33 at the end of one, with Toronto in the lead by 2. Patrick Patterson hit a long deuce to start the second, and then hit a trifecta to push Toronto's lead to 7 at 40-33. Drew Gooden then hit his third three-pointer of the first half to bring the game to within 4 at 40-36. That sparked a 13-2 run by Washington that put them up by 4 at 46-42. Toronto tied it up, but then Paul Pierce put Washington back in the lead, and the Raptors tied it up again. Gortat hammered one in, and Beal hit a pair of free throws, followed by a one-footer from Gortat, and it was 54-48 Wizards at the half. Then to start the second half, Paul Pierce made it rain to push the Wizards' lead to 9 at 57-48. Toronto would then outscore the Wizards 20-10 to take the lead by 1 at 68-67 with less than 2 minutes left in the third. But in the final minute of the quarter, John Wall would put the Wizards back in the lead with a pair of free throws and then a one-footer of his own to make it 72-70. In the opening moments of the fourth, the Raptors took the lead, but the Wizards would take it right back. Then with just under 7 minutes left to play and the Raptors within 1 point, Paul Pierce made it rain once again to push the lead to 4 at 84-80. Toronto would answer by taking the lead again, and then Washington took it right back. Terrence Ross tied the game at 88, and then Otto Porter Jr. buried a three to put Washington in the lead 91-88 with 4.5 left in the fourth. Then 2 minutes later, with the Raptors within 2 points, Otto Porter Jr. buries another three to make it 95-90, followed by a rainmaker from Pierce, and it was 98-90. Toronto refused to give up, and with 1 minute left in the game, Kyle Lowry hit a 10-footer to make it a 4-point game at 196. Paul Pierce then drew a foul and made both free throws to make it 102-96, and Lowry responded with the three and Pierce grill to make it 102-99. Paul Pierce came right back on the other end, and with a beautiful feed from John Wall, Paul Pierce put the dagger through the hearts of Toronto as he dropped his fourth rainmaker, pushing the Wizards' lead to 6 at 105-99 with 16.3 seconds left in this game. Pierce pointed at his jersey and he said, "This is why I'm here." 11 of Paul Pierce's 18 points in this game came in the fourth quarter, as Paul Pierce is known to be a clutch shooter when it counts the most. The Wizards would end up winning this game 106-99 after a missed three from Toronto at the end. So the Wizards are now up 3-0. They'll be looking to sweep the series in game 4 at home. But in this game, the Wizards had 4 starters in double digits and 2 players coming off the bench for double digits. Is Drew Gooden and Otto Porter Jr. both off the bench in double digits. Drew Gooden with 12.7 rebounds and 3 blocks. Otto Porter Jr. 11 points, 8 rebounds, 2 assists, and 2 steals and a block. And for the game's leading scorer for the Wizards, because the game's leading scorer was actually DeRozan for the Raptors, but for the Wizards, Marcin Gortat was their leading scorer. The big man had a double-double, 24 points, 13 rebounds, 5 assists, and 4 blocks. John Wall, 19 points, 5 rebounds, 15 assists, 1 steal, and a block, so he had a double-double as well. Paul Pierce, 18 points, 3 rebounds in the game. And Bradley Beal, 16.6 rebounds and 3 assists and 3 blocks. And rounding out the starting 5, Nene Hilario, 6 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist, and 1 steal. And for the Raptors, DeRozan was the game's leading scorer, 32.6 rebounds, 6 assists, and 1 steal. Valencius, 8 points, 10 boards. just 2 points shy of the double-double. Amir Johnson did have a double-double in the losing effort with 14 points, 12 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal, and a block. And Kyle Lowry, 15 points, 4 rebounds, 7 assists, 4 steals in the game. And off the bench, Patrick Patterson, 10 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist, and a steal. We look inside the numbers. Both teams were hitting those three-pointers, but a 12 for 29 for the Wizards, 41.4%. Paul Pierce, 4 of 7 from downtown. Bradley Beal, 3 of 9. Drew Gooden, 3 of 6. And Otto Porter Jr., 2 of 3. They were hitting them when it counted the most, and they were getting to the foul line. They were 22 of 31 for 71%. Versus 15 of 19 for Toronto for 78.9%. Toronto hit 10 of 28 three-pointers for a 35.7%. The Wizards outshooting the Raptors by 10% from the field, 47.4% shooting for the Wizards versus 37.4% shooting for the Raptors. They also out-rebounded the Raptors 45-41. They had more assists, 27-21. The Raptors did have more steals, 12-4. But the Wizards, 13 blocks versus just 2 blocks for Toronto. Gortat with 4 blocks, Beal with 3 blocks, and Gooden with 3 blocks. And then 3 players with 1 block each as Wall, Sessions, and Porter Jr. all had 1 block in the game as well for the Wizards. So they just had a block party in D.C. and a couple of double-doubles for the Wizards with Gortat and Wall. Of course, Paul Pierce coming up huge with that clutch 3-point shooting and 11 points in that fourth quarter to secure the win for the Wizards in the 3-0 lead in the series. And the final score in Game 3, Washington 106, Toronto 99.